Rivers State Governor Wike don declare Wednesday 3 May 2023 as public holiday sake of say e want make people of Rivers State give the Presido-elect Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu one special welcome. The Presido-elect for in 2 days official visit to Rivers State go commission the Rumo-Okuta flyover and the ultra-modern magistrate court complex for Port Harcourt on Wednesday 3rd and Thursday 4th May 2023 respectively. Governor Wike for in state broadcast on Tuesday come talk say for Senator Tinubu's presidential campaign visit to Rivers State, im don first tell am say im go like make e come commission some ogbonge projects for the state after the general elections. E come say dem don send one formal invitation to the Presido-elect after the general elections wey e accept wella. Governor Wike come still talk say the proposed visit to Rivers State na Senator Tinubu's first official visit to any state since he come out as the Presido-elect of Naija. According to him, by this visit, the Presido-elect go join the long list of other ogbonge Nigerians for the state to either flag off or commission landmark projects.
During his presidential campaign visit to Rivers State, I indicated our intention to have the President-elect commission some of our strategic projects after the general elections and sent him a formal invitation, which he graciously accepted. The proposed visit to Rivers State is Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu's first official visit to any state since he emerged as the President-elect of this great country. Consequently, I urge all Rivers citizens to come out en masse to receive our President-elect, His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and display the traditional Rivers hospitality as he commissions these legacy projects to God's glory and advancement of our development. Given this, I hereby declare Wednesday, 3rd of May, 2023, a public holiday to enable the people of Rivers State to receive our President-elect rousingly. Furthermore, all shops and business premises along Rumo-Okuta roads in Obiabo local government area of the state shall remain closed from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Wednesday, 3rd of May, 2023.
From Rivers State, A. Carter, Ojesele, TMC TV News.